Welcome to Cory Turner Talks Cars, and today we are going to look at three very cool cars that I found for sale online. Well, two cool ones and one I need your help deciding. One, we're going to look at a 2013 Dodge Challenger Convertible. Yes, you heard that. It's a drop top and it is tricked out, trust me. We also found a Dune Buggy and a Bob Hess Thunderbird. Now, you may already know which one I need to ask you to see if you think it's cool or not. I'm not sure out of those, but those are some cool cars we're going to look at today. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. You're helping us grow. Thank you so much. We're going to be changing some things up and adding several shows together to do one long format show soon, so we definitely want your feedback to see what you guys think about that. All right, let's jump in here real quick, and we're going to start with this. This is a 1969 Volkswagen Beetle Dune Buggy, and it is super cool. Let me read to you what's going on here, and I'm going to do a lot of reading today. I can already tell it. Talk about rare. The Berry Mini T Dune Buggy kit was available from 1969 to 1971, and their research shows that George Barris himself had some involvement with developing these bodies. Theirs is an original body sitting on a 1969 Volkswagen chassis, custom pearl paint, aluminum slotted wheels, and the perfect period correct touch. And man, are they right? Check out that. It's got fur carpeting. How cool is that? Brand new AM FM stereo with CD player and dual speakers. Sits right up and runs like an absolute dream. Rare opportunity to own an original Mini T that is cosmetically restored to the 1970s time period of freedom and fun. They're asking $9,900 for that. And I got to say, that really is a very, very super cool car. So that's an awesome one right there. Okay, let's move on to the next one. This is a 1997 Ford Thunderbird 1951 Bob Hess kit. Okay, so this is the one that I kind of need your help on because I don't know. Are these cool? I'm a Thunderbird fan of just about every generation of Thunderbird, and even the 1997 Thunderbird. I owned a 1991 and I loved it. So I love the Thunderbird. And then now we've got these. Well, I don't want to say now, they've been around for a while, but let's look at this one, and you guys are going to have to help me out. They're asking $18,000 for this one. This is extremely nice, excellent running, it says. 1997 Ford Thunderbird with the 1951 Bob Hess kit. Finished in red metallic with gray interior. Of course, has the 4.9 liter V8 engine with automatic transmission, and they're selling it as is. And like I say, they're asking $18,000 for it. When they do these, there's a lot of touches they do to the car. They definitely change the rear end. You've got the creases down the side with the different taillights in the back. Of course, you've got the big grille, different grille there in the front to look at. It's definitely different. I like the front. I think I like the front more than I like the back. I'm not saying I hate the back. The front is pretty cool. So it's got the white wheel tires on there. That's pretty cool. So there it is. There's a 1997 Ford Thunderbird with the Bob Hess kit. Is that cool? What do you think? Is it worth $18,000? That part I don't know. I don't see enough of them come on the market or come across at least the places I'm looking, so I'm not totally sure. So you need to let me know. Okay, let's move on. Here it is. Here's the one we've been talking about, and definitely the one that we want to see. All right, this is it right here. This is a 2013 Dodge Challenger Convertible drop top. That's exactly right. I'm going to do a lot of reading on this. They have a ton of details on this car. So let me start reading. You check it out while I'm doing that, okay? Here we go. This cruise-ready 2013 Dodge Challenger Convertible is truly a one-of-a-kind vehicle, customized beauty. It can be your next ride. They're offering it for $80,000 or best reasonable offers. First, the basics. It is a 2013 Dodge Challenger RT, classic model with the 5-speed auto stick and steering wheel mounted paddle controlled automatic transmission. Has the 5.7 liter Hemi, 372 horsepower, 400 pound-foot of torque, I believe. It's rated 0 to 60 at a speed of 5.4 seconds and runs the quarter mile in 10.3 seconds at 101 miles per hour. That's everything here in their description. But let's get on to the custom features. First and foremost, it's a drop top, right? The fully powered black convertible top was designed and created by the premier convertible conversion business in the industry, Drop Top Customs. Let's read that one again. It was designed and created by the premier convertible conversion business in the industry, Drop Top Customs in High Springs, Florida. The convertible power control switch is discreetly mounted in the stock center console for quick and easy access for both driver and passenger. The rear seat windows also fully powered, again with their switches neatly in the center console as well. Everything made to look as stock as possible. With the top and all 4 windows lowered, the convertible has a sleek and classic look reminiscent of the highly sought-after iconic convertible Challengers of the muscle era of the 1970s. And to secure the drop top to the top of the windshield, you simply have to flip the smoothly moving locking handles forward, and you are ready for any kind of weather. And how about this convenience? You can lock and unlock both left and right secure handles easily from the driver's seat. The inevitable comment you will hear is, I didn't know that Dodge made a modern Challenger convertible. And of course, they didn't, would be your reply. But this car is my car. Really cool, all unique, all too red creation of Custom Kings in Northern California. The body, the custom shop creator's very first vision for this car was to make it true and unmistakably fully wide-body ride, could accommodate seriously large custom wheels. The stock rear quarter panels were removed and replaced with handcrafted metal and expanded panels, which are expertly formed and perfectly matched to the contour lines of the doors and rear bumpers. The stock front and rear bumper light assemblies were replaced with ones from a 2019 Challenger Hellcat, giving the unique car a unique and aggressive modern look. The body is finished in brilliant victory red paint. If the customized work stopped right there, it would be truly eye-catching, but there's more. They go into the wheels. They go into a long description of the interior, the exhaust, what they've done, the engine bay, and of course all the bonuses. There's too much for me to list at the moment. We may have to do a video just on this car all by itself. But I will tell you, it is, man, looking at it, it is fascinating. It is stunning. It looks great with that black top up. The interior looks nice. Yeah, I really like that interior as well. Look, they did a fantastic job. Like I say, I'm going to put links in the description of all 3 cars. You're going to want to take a moment and go back and look at this one. They have so much information. This thing is customized out. They're asking $80,000, our most reasonable offer. And boy, talk about owning a one-of-a-kind car. That is fantastic. That's gorgeous. Yeah, you're going to want to go back and read it. I'm going to go back and read it all again. There's so much there to look at. Okay, so of those 3s, which one did you like? I think I probably know, right? And it's probably going to lean towards a Challenger. I'd probably go Challenger, Dune Buggy, and I just don't know what to do with that Thunderbird, right? So leave me a message. Let me know, do you like it? Do you not like it? What if you do like it, what do you like about it? If you don't like it, there's probably a lot of things to list on that. But it looks cool. It's different. It's very fingerprint. So specialty car for sure. Like I say, I like all Thunderbirds. So that is a unique one for sure. So leave me a comment. Remember to like, comment, and share. And let's talk about cars tomorrow.